Well, guys, here we have it. A perfect mid-century modern dining set that is perfect for a condo or smaller space because not only can it be very small, but it can be very large. And the styling is just, well, it's unmistakable for this era. Let's go through it. So this is an authentic dining set dating from about the mid-60s. And you can see the unique styling that the minimalist lines, sort of, which I sort of joke around that it's Star Trek style, but the minimalist lines of the furniture, but still very sturdy and made of excellent quality materials. This set is done in walnut, and each of the seats is upholstered in a dark leatherette, and so it's easy clean and in great shape. The table, though, right now you see I've taken some photos, so make sure you check those out. But the set comes with 6 chairs, and there's 2 armchairs and 4 sides. But interestingly, the table in its current form, it's basically a perfect square on the top anyway, 38 by 38 with the nice curved edging you can see on there. We'll get down a little closer and look at it. And it's 29 inches tall, but you can see there's these leaves, and the leaves are 12 inches each. So basically add another 24 inches to the length of the table. And as I said, you can have a nice small table for your smaller space, again, in your condo or apartment. And but when you have guests and you really need that extra room, that's the luxury of being able to expand it. Now, as I said, this table is solid wood, and you can see it here in the, this is the leaf here, and it's, brilliant shape. You can see the textures in the wood. Let's get some focus here. You can see the textures in the wood. It's just a beautiful table. All of the seat covers are in pristine condition, and the chairs themselves, as you can see here, the styling that I mentioned here, nice curvature of the chairs. Again, I'll include some more photography with the listing here. But if you want something that really very hard to find, you try and go and buy a modern set. You get these particle board veneer surprises that are pretty much, if you're getting anything of decent quality, you're going to spend as much as you're going to spend on something like this. But this actually has an excellent legacy quality to it, in as much as, this is dating the mid-60s, but, presents excellent presentation. And I guess that is a testament to the quality of the materials that were used in this construction. And here is the table with the 2 leaves inside. Again, the table is 38 inches square on the top. Each leaf is 12 inches, so I add 24 to that. I'll put the math in the listing. But just so you can see that, the chairs all fit around it comfortably, nice and stylish. I mean, look at that sexy leg. Very well appointed table. There you go, guys. So again, do study the ad. I'll take some individual pictures of the styling of the chairs. And but if this is something that you need, again, you have a smaller space that normally you're going to need a smaller table, but you want the luxury of having that expansion. Well, that's what you're looking at in the mid-century modern styling, which really is making a resurgence. With shows like Mad Men and things like that. I mean, let's face it, style is something that's becoming timeless. If you have a style that you like, well, no one's going to give you a hard time just because you want to express it in your furniture. So, send me a text, email, or phone call, folks, and I'll sell it to you. Thanks.